Okay, so guys, this is our job.
पराग का एक सेंट्रल का एरिया है हो गया। कल एक फाइन हुआ हमारा, एक और फाइन होगा। हमने एसटीडी ग्रुप की एक ब्रांच चेक रिपब्लिक से स्टार्ट किया है। ये पिछले साल हमारी कंपनी के थ्रू यहाँ पर आए थे हैं और यहाँ पर वेयर हाउस में जॉब करते हैं। कैन सी आर शेयरिंग वेरी गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन। जंप मार दो यहीं से, ये लो। लड़कियों में पता नहीं तल्ली और क्या और
और स्टूडेंट के बाद मैंने अपनी इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ओपन की।
सो जी भाई साहब, दिस इज जर्मनी। भाई साहब, कभी किसी नए एयरपोर्ट पे जाए ना बंदा तो टाइम से जाना। लो जी, कितना नंबर है? ऑसम स्ट्रीट है ये देखो पीछे लिखा हुआ है कैसीनो। मजा आ गया अपना कुल्लू।
सो हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है आज फिर एक नए वीडियो में चेक रिपब्लिक से वेयर हाउस जॉब्स के लिए। तो मेरे साथ बिबिन है और जेलो हैं जो कि इंडिया से हैं और ये यहाँ पर वेयर हाउस में जॉब करते हैं। मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं कंपनी के नाम जीस है, जर्मन कंपनी है और यहाँ पर इनकी काम करते हुए इनको 1 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुका है और ये हमारी कंपनी के थ्रू यहाँ पर आए थे। तो वीडियो में भाइयों से बात करूँगा, ये अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताएंगे, इनकी जॉब कैसी है और आपको अंदर से इनके काम का वीडियो देखने को मिलेगा और इनकी जो जॉब की डिटेल्स देखने को मिलेंगी, कैसा काम रहता है, क्या सैलरी की एक्सपेक्टेशन आप कर सकते हो जब आप आ रहे हो यहाँ पर, और यहाँ की जो लाइफ है, इनके जो लाइफ के एक्सपेंसेस यहाँ पर हैं, कंपनी क्या फैसिलिटी दे रही है, आगे फैमिली को बुलाना है तो उसके लिए क्या प्रोसेस रहता है। सो ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन वीडियो में मिलने वाली है। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले कहना चाहूँगा वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना ताकि आने वाले अपडेट आपको मिलते रहे। सो ओके जेलो, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर जॉब हियर।
My name is Jilo and I'm working here. This is our logistics company. Its name is GIS Logistics and it's a German company and our work culture is very nice and we are very satisfied here.
Okay, so guys, this is our job. We are doing this job and we are very satisfied here and very cool and peaceful job. No stress, no pressure. Come Czech Republic.
Okay, so I want to ask Bibin, can you please tell something about the facilities from the company?
Okay, in this company providing lots of facilities. They will provide the transport for. I am staying in Prague. This is a company situated in out of Prague. It's in my home. This is, I think, 25 kilometers far from here.
Okay.
And so our company is providing nearest metro station transportation they are providing.
Okay. And allowances, if we talk about, they give you leave, salaries and all.
Yeah, every year they are giving 1 month paid salary, and
Okay.
also we have off on Saturday and Sunday. Every Saturday and Sunday we got off.
Right. So it's very good. You can see 5 days a week work culture. So which is
Yeah,
nice,
yes, only 5 days in every month. In total, we are paying. We are doing maximum 210 and 220 hours per month.
Okay. So if I ask about your exact duty as a work, what you do?
I am in. We are working here like logistics, and what I'm just working in forklift operator.
Forklift operator.
That's we have the license for. We are just loading and unloading all the goods, and we are checking and the quality of the goods.
Okay.
And that is our work.
It's
and
like additional responsibility you have other than the
yeah.
operator.
Okay,
So
yes.
now asking about forklift operator. So how about the license?
After if we are working here around like sometimes they are giving after training period they are giving the license.
Okay.
And then we can do the forklift.
Right. And how about Jello? You are working also as an operator?
Yeah, me too. And also I'm working in QZ like a quality checker.
Okay.
And I have also forklift license.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. So when you came from India, how much time it to get the license for the forklift?
It's around maximum 3 or 4 months because when we'll get it's perfectly drive. So definitely. we'll
Okay,
get,
so
yeah.
you get training.
They will give.
First you get the training and then
Yes, exactly.
you get the license.
Yeah.
After that they give you some assistant operator to see supervise, and then
Yes,
once you are
yes.
doing perfect,
Yes.
then you are on your own.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so guys, you can see it's like a mixed responsibilities. Along with the forklift driver, they have to manage some QC checks as well. Okay, so okay guys, thank you very much. You are already giving very good information. I have 3-4 more questions to ask. Let's start with TRC. So how the TRC process after coming here?
Yeah, when we'll come here after 2 weeks, we will get our card.
Okay, so Bibin, I need to ask because some people asking that company providing accommodation or not.
Yeah, this company is providing not providing accommodation, but they will give extra money to for the accommodation. They will helping to get accommodation also.
Okay.
This
So
is the
this
thing.
is the way, like in Dubai and some other countries also, either company giving accommodation or they give you some extra salary, which is easily can cover accommodation
It's
expenses.
easily to cover the accommodation expense.
And I think it is better because if you're living in your own accommodation, you
Oh,
can
yeah.
choose your own and you
Yeah,
can change also.
yeah,
right?
I can change also,
so this
anytime.
this is the best option. Okay. So Jelo, can you please tell us about the taxes?
Taxes, it's allowed to get back the taxes since it's around 1 year.
So if from the gross salary, if we say like how much taxes percentage?
it's I think it's 17 or 18%. I
17-18% from the gross salary,
Yes.
and rest you get in hand.
Yes.
So that taxes whatever deducted after 1 year you get, or
Yes.
2 year.
1 year.
Okay.
1 year.
Right. So the TRC is for 1 year or 2 year?
It's a 2 year.
2 year and then renewal every 2 year.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so this is also one good thing. I think many people don't know about this. You get tax deduction, but after 1 year, like just now he said, you get back the taxes. So that is also like an annual bonus for you also. Okay, so going back to Bibin, can you please tell us some information about dependent visa?
Yeah, dependent visa. When we are here, after 6 months we can apply the dependent visa.
Okay.
We have to show the minimum salary wages on paper in the ministry for applying the dependent visa.
Like how
That-
much salary should be there?
I think it's 21 Czech crowns. That is the minimum
How
salary.
much in euro it will be like?
Euro actually
1,000 or less?
like 1 lakhs Indian rupees.
Okay, that is almost
Indian rupees.
1,000 euro. So 1,000 euro you can already apply dependent visa for your wife and for kids. For that you should complete 6 months here. So I think you need to show the bank statement and all.
No need to
Salaries transfers
just salary certificate.
Ah,
no
yeah.
need to show the bank
that,
statement.
so that document will be provided by the company. And one more thing, like if a dependent coming here on the TRC will be done for them also, of course, and they can work also.
Oh yeah, obviously she can work also here easily. After here she got the biometric card, then she can work.
Okay, so that is also one good thing, like someone want to move with family here, so the guy or the girl can come here first, and then after 6 months they can apply the spouse visa, dependent visa, and they can come here also and work together in different places, or maybe they get chance to work in same place as well. And as now time is already 5:40, so the warehouse or the company is closed, so we get late due to some traffic. We cannot go inside, but tomorrow we will visit inside and we'll add the clips in the video, so you can see them actually working in the same place, and you can see what is the work they are doing and how the company from inside. सो ओके गाइज़, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा और आपने देखा कि दोनों भाई कैसे यहाँ पर हैप्पीली जॉब कर रहे हैं, और उनका काम का जो अंदर आपने देखा वीडियो जो अंदर से उन्होंने बनाया जा करके। तो आप ऐसी वीडियो के लिए फॉलो कर सकते हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, और आपको और भी अपडेट ऐसे मिलते रहेंगे। और हमारी कंपनी के साथ आपको सर्बिया, स्लोवाकिया, बुल्गारिया और क्रोएशिया और ऑफ कोर्स चेक रिपब्लिक, ऐसी बहुत सारी कंट्री के वर्क परमिट आपको मिल सकते हैं। So okay, Jelo, in the last I want to ask you if you want to say something about our services.
Yeah, we are very, very satisfied about this BD company. And if you need any information or whatever, just contact them. Truly, we are rating 5 out of 5.
Okay, thank you very much, Jelo. So Bibin, what you want to say about our services?
It's SDB company is a very nice company. If you, the business processing is very smooth and very fast in all European countries. Czech, obviously in Czech because we are here.
Yeah.
We are coming through your SDB company, and we are very satisfied with this company.
All right, so thank you, Bibin. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jelo. So now already I told you we have our number for Europe also. You can contact Europe team, or you can contact India call center, or if you are in Dubai, you can visit office directly. Okay, see you in next video. Good luck.